Mountain Rock Music, located at 290 South Main in Springville. We carry a huge selection of Ibanez, Crafter, Dean, and Washburn guitars. And of course, a huge selection of Ibanez and custom amps. And don't forget all the straps you could possibly imagine, from Levy's and Planet Waves. Nearly every string on the market, including Ernie Ball's, Diodario's, Martins, and Elixirs. A huge assortment of Digitech pedals for you to try out. Of course, we're always glad to order different brands. Tama drums at the best price you'll find, as well as a great selection of Mapex drums. Print music, we have it all. Piano, guitar, band and orchestra, it's in stock. And of course, no music store is complete without its great selection of ukuleles. Don't forget, we have all the accessories you'll need for your band and orchestra instruments, as well as rentals. And of course, Mountain Rock Music has one of the best guitar technicians in the state, as well as some of the most sought after teachers.